All right, coding fans, we're back here in world creation. We are going to build on what we did last time, which is Stadium, but we're going to get some different source code, I think, to kind of help us out with this thing running. So it's going to be kind of similar, but when we do this, we're going to want to run our code. I'm going to get it from Canvas for my students. We've got the football play source code here. I'm going to try and put it in the description below so that you can copy and paste if you are on YouTube and not in my class, or even if you are in my class and you still are just going straight to YouTube. So here is that code for the football play, and as it says for usual, copy and paste the code below into world creation to get started. So we're going to want to start from, there we are, let all coordinates equal world.allPossibleCoordinates, and we've got our field goals, we have our players ready to go, we've got our team hopper, and then we've got our directions. All right, and we're going to get all the way to the end right there. All right, so I'm going to copy that from wherever you're getting it. We're going to paste it right in here. And then we'll go ahead and run this. So we got it paste, and we're going to run it. So it's not nearly as much code, so it should load a lot faster. All right, great. We have all of our characters here, and if you remember from the Stadium last lesson, which is Stadium, we had all the blues here on the left, and we had all of the hoppers here on the right, and our stadium was there, but we've kind of deleted that or gotten rid of it. If you are using your stadium from before, you can just comment that out, but we'll be all right with this stuff. So we've got these plays, and what we're going to do is come down here to our directions. All right, so we've got our blue team players. Here's the one at 4-4, that's this one. Here's the one at 5-4, that's this one. And it says initialize receiver here at 6-4. So 6-4 is going to be my receiver. So they're going to go out and catch the ball. So let's go ahead and initialize a receiver. So I'm going to say let receiver, R-E-C-E-I-V-E-R. I think that's spelled correctly. And the receiver is going to be the character. And they're on team blue, so we are going to get our keypad out, and we're going to say name, colon, space dot BLU. All right, so remember, that goes inside our parentheses. All right, so now that we have initialized our receiver, we need to make this generic blue at 6-4. We need to call him receiver. And now it will look exactly the same, but now we can control the receiver. Okay? And then we're going to initialize our quarterback in the exact same way. Our quarterback is going to be this one at 5-3. So we're going to want to initialize the quarterback. So we're going to say let QB or quarterback, and it's going to be the same thing. All right, he's on team blue, so we're going to say character, capital, or let QB equal character with parentheses behind it. Inside the parentheses, we're going to type in name, colon, space, dot B-L-U-E. Nope, dot B-L-U. And if we run this again, we'll notice that nothing actually changes. All right, there they all are. But where it's going to change is down here when we initialize a ball and run the play. All right, so let's initialize and place a ball over the quarterback by making the ball equal to a gem. So we are here, okay, that's where the quarterback is. So we're going to do kind of the same thing that we did before. So let ball equal capital gem, J-E-M, with parentheses behind it. And then we need to place the ball, and I said, or the directions say, let's place the ball where the quarterback is, there at 5-3. So I'm going to come back over here, and we're going to, oh, I just noticed that I did not place the quarterback. Let's go ahead and change that to quarterback. Sorry about that. We're back up here at quarterback. We initialized the quarterback, but we didn't place the quarterback. I guess we would have originally found that out. All right, so we're going to select where we place the quarterback at 5-3. Copy. Come back down here, and we're going to paste that right there. And instead of quarterback being at 5-3, we're also going to place the ball at 5-3. Okay, and we'll run this real quick. And you'll notice that a gem pops up over top of the quarterback. The interesting thing is going to be that the gem will be able to move because we initialized it. It's not going to be just a gem to collect. We are actually going to move it around. All right, there's our receiver sitting down. So it says, next, run the play here. Receiver needs to move right, move forward, turn left, and then move 6, and then turn around. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So the receiver's doing this. So we're going to do receiver dot turn right, then receiver dot move forward. So turn right and move forward gets them there. So then we'll receiver dot turn left. And then they'll need to move 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's right there. So we can just do receiver dot, and then we're going to use our moved distance for move distance 6. And then they'll need to turn around, which is either turn left, or turn right. So I'm just going to copy turn left. I'm going to go paste, turn left, and then I'll go paste, turn left. All right, let's go ahead and run that. There we go, turns right, goes out for a pass, turns around. Now he's ready to receive the ball. So in order to get the ball to move, we're just going to need to place that ball kind of over and over and over again. So I'm going to have the ball go to this, to there, and by placing it, it'll kind of move like stop motion animation style. So I'm going to go get my code for placing the ball, and I'm going to copy it. And what's going to kind of happen is when we paste it, each time we paste it, it will take that specific gem and move it to its new place, kind of making it move. You'll see what's up here in a second. So I'm going to paste the location of the ball, which is at 5-3 now, and I'm going to paste it at 6-4. 6-4, okay? And then the next place I want it to go is 6-5 and 6-6. So I'm going to hit paste here, and I'm going to change it from 5-3 to 6-5. And then we'll paste it again here, and we're going to change it to 6-6. All right, and then, so it needs to be here, so it'll go, it's at 5-3, 6-4, 6-5, 6-6. I'm going to get it to kind of move over, 7-7, 7-8, 7-9, and then 7-10. Paste, so 7-7. Move it along, 7-8. Paste, 7-9. And then finally 7-10, paste 7-10. All right, and that'll get the ball to move on over there. And And then what we'll do next is have our receiver catch the ball, which should be pretty simple because that ball or gem is going to move this way and then be over top of them. We're going to have them catch it. So let's go ahead and say receiver.collectGem. And that'll be like it caught the ball. And just for funsies, what I think I'm going to do is before I have the ball placed, I'm going to go right here and I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to have the quarterback do something to make it kind of look like he threw the ball. So I'm going to have the QB.arg. All right, so we'll place the ball one square at a time. So the receiver goes out, he'll turn around, the QB will go arg, the ball will be placed, and it will end up there, and the receiver will collect the gem. Let's take a look at what this looks like. And there's the ball moving right there, bam, and collects the gem. And we win. All right. You can copy and paste this code into the stadium code and have this kind of run out with the full stadium in there, which is pretty neat. So I'm going to run it one more time so that we can see what's up. And I think this is a neat way to kind of manipulate this code to be like this. The only big problem, not problem, but it runs more like chess than it does anything else. It doesn't run simultaneous code. So that just means that whenever we do something like that, it's going to go line by line, play by play, or square by square, as you can see. I hope you had fun. See you on the next one. Love you. Bye.